ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most trusted names in the compact SUV game, the 2025 Honda CR-V. Whether you're already a Honda fan or just SUV shopping with practicality and modern features in mind, this video is going to take you through everything you need to know about this year's CR-V. Let's get into it. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues the legacy of comfort, reliability, and sleek styling, but with just enough refinement to keep it fresh in an increasingly competitive segment. Right off the bat, the exterior gets your attention. It sports a bold front fascia, a more aggressive grille, and slimmer LED headlights that give it a more premium look than ever before. The lines on the body are smooth and elegant, adding to that refined but sporty aesthetic that Honda's been leaning into lately. Under the hood, the 2025 CR-V offers a solid balance of efficiency and performance. You've got two engine options to choose from. A 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that delivers around 190 horsepower, and a hybrid version that ups the power slightly and delivers much better fuel economy. Both options are mated to a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, which provides smooth and quiet acceleration. For city driving, daily commutes, or even weekend road trips, the CR-V handles it all with grace. All-wheel drive is available, making it a strong contender for people living in colder climates or those who enjoy occasional off-road adventures. Step inside, and the cabin is where the CR-V truly shines. Honda has upped the ante with high-quality materials, an open and airy layout, and smart tech integrations that feel intuitive rather than overcomplicated. The seats are spacious and supportive, with plenty of room in both rows. Rear passengers especially get a surprising amount of legroom, something you don't always find in compact SUVs. Cargo space is generous too, and the rear seats fold almost flat, giving you flexibility whether you're hauling groceries, bikes, or luggage. Technology-wise, the 2025 CR-V gets a standard 7-inch touchscreen in base models, while higher trims upgrade to a slick 9-inch display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on most trims, and the interface is clean and responsive. You've also got multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and even an optional 12-speaker Bose premium sound system if music's your thing. Honda's digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, and features like navigation and real-time traffic updates make long drives more convenient. Honda hasn't skimped on safety either. The Honda Sensing Suite is standard across the lineup, bringing in features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. In 2025, Honda has fine-tuned these features to feel more natural and less intrusive, which is a welcome upgrade for daily driving. The CR-V also adds new rear cross-traffic